Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module from which you can actually generate images from HTML or CSS. So if you have a HTML, raw HTML template, you can generate images from that. So this Python module allows you to do this. So the name of the module is, if you just search here, HTML Web Short. So it will take the screenshot of your HTML and save it inside your PNG, JPG. It can even save it to a SVG file as well. So the command is simple. Simply install this using this command. I have already installed it. So now I will show you a very simple example. So just create a simple app.py file after installing the module. So from HTML WebShort, we need to import the base package, which is WebShort. So W is capital right here. So WebShort. After that, we just need to initialize this. So we simply call this constructor, initialize this. After that, we simply provide our HTML inside these three double quotes. So here you can write your template. So let me write a h1 tag. Then we have a simple paragraph. So this can be anything, any valid HTML element you can say. So we have this heading and the paragraph. You can even manipulate it by providing custom attributes as well. So I provide a style here. Let me make the heading as red color, and the paragraph, the color, let me change to green. So here you can even provide your CSS styles as well, inline CSS styles. After that, we can actually call this library, and it contains this function which is create underscore pic. So what this does, it actually takes the screenshot of your HTML, and also we need to pass, if any sort of CSS is there, we can pass this, and then we need to specify the output. Let me call this as picture.jpg. So this is, we are calling this function. So if I run this Python script now, you will see it will create. So cannot import name WebShort from HTML WebShort. So I think, yeah, so I think this is called WebShort. Sorry, again call this. The full script is given, guys, in the description of this video. So yeah, so it's WebShort. Sorry, I was making the spelling mistake because uh, WVBS is also capital. So just make sure you do this where S is also capital. Yeah, so now you can see, again just do this. So it will now create this file here, picture.jpg. So you will see it will take the screenshot of your HTML and it has saved it as a JPG image. So your heading is in red color, paragraph is in white color, sorry, green color, and you can even provide a background color. So you can even provide your CSS as a separate thing. So we can create another variable here for the CSS. Here we can provide our styles here. We can provide a background color to the body, which is pink color, and a paragraph to be red. So I can remove these styles. So this will be your HTML, this will be your CSS. So now to apply the CSS, we can pass this CSS like this. So we are passing three arguments now, HTML, then CSS, and then the output. So again, if you run this now, you will see it will apply those styles here. So now you have the pink background, and in this way, guys, you can create images from your HTML inside Python using this package. It's free package. You can use this package, and it actually takes a screenshot of your HTML and save it. I think SVG is also supported. I think, let me make it SVG. Just let me just see if it is supported, or yeah, you can even create SVG files as well from your HTML. So you can see I can open this. This is actually a SVG file which opens in the, I think, in the browser. Yeah, so this is your SVG, scalable vector graphics. So in this easy way, guys, you can use this library. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.